Good and evil, the dualistic nature of humans. What makes a person good or makes them evil is a combination of personalities that makes them who they are. When babies and dogs are born, they're not neither good or evil, but rather innocent, as they do not know the difference between the right and wrong. But as time progresses, they will soon learn the difference between right and wrong. They will soon realize the difference between right and wrong based on reward and punishment. Depending on how it's implemented, it can encourage or diminish a certain behavior. The type of environment you grow in can shape your personality drastically. All people are varied in how they respond to these different environments, but certain environments does trigger certain personalities. When you combine reward, punishment, and the environment, you get a human, a person who is complex in many ways, and how their past can shape their future based on the things they were learned and taught to them as they were early. As I stated before, when you combine these three factors together, you can have a wide assortment of personalities, both a combination of good and a combination of bad. I believe good people exist because they have human decency and know the difference between the right and wrong. But why exactly are there evil people? Here's what I think. Bob Marley once stated that a hungry man is an angry man, which means that a person that is deprived of the necessities needed to maintain a healthy life will seek opportunities, mostly bad, in order to live a comfortable life. Depending on the mental illness, this can make a person act aggressive and even violent towards other people. While not all mental ill people are dangerous, some mental illness does affect people differently, and thus in return makes them do actions that are considered damaging to others. A bad upbringing can have psychological effects in the long run, thus affecting how the person acts in society. Ideas and belief systems can manifest itself to where the person act out these ideas and beliefs which harm other people. Different cultures may not agree upon a certain idea, and some may exploit others because of certain beliefs that they held. Just want to make clear before I end the video that not everyone acts the same. Everyone acts uniquely to different events. So if any of these descriptions I listed, if you fall under one or many, just remember that it doesn't apply to you